let's, okay, the birds are just not giving it up. Oh, look, she just about got you. Okay, Kanan, let's go over. Dad just left after a quick visit, and there he goes. See you later, Lester. Okay, we pulled the nest down, and there's a couple big hairy babies. Well, they have feathers on them. Pull the nest down and let's look, Kanan, and see if you get ate up.
I'm not pulling the nest down.
Yeah, let's look. Let's get a video of the nest to show the babies.
Work done before it rains again.
Dad's guess is within 1 week they'll be done. But look, I got bird poop all over my chair. Nasty birds. Oh, look at her. Okay.
1, 2, 3, possibly.
Where's the little head?
One there.
Don't
one
touch.
There. I'm not touching anything. 1, 2, 3, looks like. Maybe 4.
Let's look at how the nest is constructed. See? It is straw and mud. Bird poop. Good God!
You need to get your birds out of here.
You can hear the call of the mom. Okay, so my mom's cousin Wilma sent me a picture, and now that the humidity has come down, why they get closer when you're okay? You come over here and you be the target for them. Anyway, I will insert a picture from my mom's cousin Wilma's bird book right now. And underneath they are that color. Listen to the ruckus. They can almost hover. See, look, we're wearing them out. It's so overcast and the humidity is really high, so the quality of pictures just is not going to come out. Okay, I'm done. I'm getting tired of being dive bombed. Their little nest up there. Okay, we're only giving them 1 more week and then the little suckers are gone, right, Kanan?
I didn't want to give them a day.
Oh my God. Well, no, I mean, we're humane. We're not, they're close to getting out of the nest.
Yeah, I done have them gone, but you want me to leave them there?
But look at the bird poop. Wacko birds. Alrighty, on to barn chores.